Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Isa, and for today, I just want to talk about online jobs that you can do during quarantine. Alam naman nating lahat na medyo mahirap maghanap ng trabaho ngayon, lalo pa nasa bahay tayo at most of the jobs outside our home is currently not available because of the enhanced community quarantine. I listed down six um, available jobs or work during the quarantine for beginners. Bakit for beginners? Kasi not all of us have the skills and knowledge sa isang trabaho. So, ito yung pinaka-basic, yung alam ng beginner, alam gawin ng beginner. So, number one is English tutoring or English teaching. So, kung makikita nyo maraming jobs ngayon na nagpo-promote ng online English teacher, looking for online English teacher. So, alam naman natin lahat na Pilipinas ang isa sa mga magagaling mag-English. Although it's not our native language, however, we have the ability to speak in English, to say things that we want in English. So, maraming companies na pwede mong applyan as an English tutor. Number one is Rarejob. So, I have videos about Rarejob. You can check it out. I will include it here. So, I'll create a card in this area. So, yeah. Maraming iba pa, kagaya ng 5-1 Talk, Akadsoc. So, marami pang iba. So, gagawa ko ng ibang video para ma-share ko sa inyo yung nakafocus lang sa sa mga companies na pwede nyong applyan. Number 2 is social media marketing. Kasi most of the time, nasa harap lang tayo ng cellphone natin. Nagpi-Facebook, nagpi-Twitter, nagpi-Instagram. So, meron tayong capacity to post something for a company na alam natin na ma-engage, maraming taong makikipag-engage sa post natin. So, why not turn your nonsense Facebooking, Twittering, and so on into something na magiging productive ka at the same time kikita ka. So, maraming company na tumatanggap ng beginner as a social media marketing. Number 3 is video and photo editing. So, kung ang skill mo is video and photo editing, pwede ka rin. Merong mga companies na nag-hire ng graphic designer, gagawa ka ng logo nila, gagawa ka ng design for their website, ng infographics, and so on. So, yun. For video editing, sikat din to ngayon since a lot of people are now having their own YouTube channel. So, ang daming mga tao na nag-hire ng marunong mag-video editing. So, if you have those skills, you can go ahead and apply for this. Number 4 is customer service. There are a lot of available jobs in customer service. Number 1 is voice. Number 2 is non-voice. Ang gagawin mo is, you have a virtual telephone na gagamitin, and then customers of your client will call that telephone number and you'll be the customer service representative. So you have a skill, you have training from the client or from a company. So sila ang magbibigay sa'yo ng mga gagawin mo. Meron ding isa na non-voice. Non-voice includes chat support and email support. Naka-include na rin doon yung email marketing if ginagawa yon ng company nyo. Sa chat support, meron kayong CRM or tool na gagamitin to receive messages from customers na clients nyo. Email marketing naman, the client will give an email list and then you will send an email to clients. Usually, ginagamit yung email marketing to retarget the customer and to offer referrals. Number 5 is online researcher. So, usong-uso to ngayon kasi nga, nag-boom yung e-commerce business. So, most of the products ngayon na binibili ng mga tao, lalo na yung mabilis i-consumo, is nasa e-commerce websites na. Like Amazon, Lazada, so on. So, pwede kang mag-apply as a product researcher for a company who wanted to sell and start an e-commerce business. Pwede ka rin maging product researcher ng isang company na nagda-dropship. Dropship, yung kumbaga, meron silang sariling website, pero yung products nila, yung orders, yung delivery is manggagaling sa Lazada, sa Shopee, sa Alibaba, AliExpress, Amazon. Meron ding mga companies na nag-hire ng online researcher pero hindi connected sa e-commerce. Yun yung mga company na naghahanap ng mga customers nila online at ikaw ang maghahanap para sa kanila. Ko-compile mo yun into one list and then the email marketer will send emails doon sa tao na sa mga tao na na-compile mo, na na-research mo. Number 6 for me is virtual assisting. So, sa virtual assisting naman, ano ka? Virtual assistant ka ng isang company. Ikaw, yung magiging parang secretary ng isang CEO or ng boss. So, ang gagawin mo is, naka-focus ka sa day-to-day activities ng boss mo. Ikaw ang nag-handle ng calendar niya. Ikaw ang nag-organize ng files para sa kanya. Ikaw ang nakaka-receive ng emails niya. Ikaw ang nagsisend ng emails na. Ikaw ang gumagawa ng report. At ikaw ang nag-set up ng mga appointments and so on. So, sa'yo babagsak yun. Kumbaga, ikaw ang admin ng company na yan. So, yun yung virtual assistant. So, marami pang ibang trabaho na pwede natin pasukin sa online. At maraming opportunity, lalo ngayon na hindi lang sa Pilipinas ang quarantine and lockdown, but all over the world. So, ang daming businesses na nag-hire ngayon ng employees through virtual or online. So, if you're new to these things, if wala kang idea, I suggest you do a research or learn it from blogs na something na mababasa mo, ganyan. And also, merong mga tao na nagbibigay ng webinars, merong mga free, live sa Facebook, and meron ding mga paid. So, of course, sure na tayo na kapag paid, yung webinar na kinuhanan mo, meaning yung mga yun, matataas na yung sahod nila sa online, sa pagiging online employee nila. So, kailangan lang magaling ka makipag-negotiate sa client mo, magaling ka makipag-usap sa kanila, and alam mo kung paano mo i-deliver yung gusto mong sabihin, kung gusto mong i-promote sa sarili mo. So, promote yourself, parang ibinebenta mo yung sarili mo sa kliyente mo. Yun lang ang mahalaga. So, yeah, I'll create different videos. Siguro mas detailed. So, I'll create different one for online tutoring and so on. So, yeah. Again, this is Isa, and I will see you soon. Bye!